Despite a life-changing accident at a young age, a PWD artist continues to pursue his passion for drawing and now showcases his work online. Mobile journalist Daniel Daya with the report.
Despite suffering a tragic incident at a young age, a PWD artist is now showcasing his artworks online. These are some of Dodd's artworks. He draws self-portraits, animal portraits, and couple portraits using charcoal and pastel. He has been making art for more than 25 years and has even drawn several well-known personalities. But what is the story behind Dodd's canvas?
Aksidente ako sa Pakuto, 10 years old. Pala yung kamay ko mamano talaga, hindi sa tuwid. Kalabas ko sa ospital, nasa bahay lang ako. Tapos nakita ko yung sticker ng mga Dragon Balls. Ayun, parang nagkahilig ako na mag-drawing. Tapos after 4 years, bumalik ako sa pag-aaral. Yun, tuloy-tuloy na po yung pag-drawing hanggang sa sinasali ako sa mga pa-contest.
He shared that after deciding to stop college, he started working at an art gallery in Bacolod, where he eventually learned how to create portraits.
Nung nakita ko sa mga mall na may nagmagawa ng charcoal tsaka yung mga portrait, ayun, doon ako nag-focus, ma'am, kasi doon mas sigurado yung pera. Kaya ngayon, ma'am, nagpo-focus na lang ako sa pagpo-portrait.
According to an art advocacy group, art has its own healing power. And in the world of creativity, being a PWD should not be a barrier.
Arts, ang creativity, napaka-generous niya sa healing. It has its own healing power. Nawala ang medicine. Pagka yung painting nandyan na, hindi mo na alam kung ang gumawa ba niyan ay blind or may polio so nalalevel niya yung playing field. The more you standardize, the more na iniipit mo ang creative potential ng isang tao.
The group is also calling for greater support for Filipino artists.
We have to push for professionalization dahil dito sa ating bansa, di mo masasabi na art will put food on the table. So, continuous lang ang aming awareness campaign para mabuhay ng maayos ang mga artist. Kasama na doon yung mga PWD.
Today, Dodds accepts portrait commissions online with a starting price of 1,000 pesos. But more than the income, what matters most is continuing his passion.
Kahit ngayon, meron din mga nagbabas na hindi naman nakakayaman yan. Naisip ko na lang, ma'am, kahit na sasayo na yun kung titigil ka. Passion mo yun gusto mo yun yun ang hilig mo. Wala naman silang ambag para kung maraming ayaw, mas maraming gusto.
Dodd's story shows that despite life's challenges, talent and creativity still bring hope. Kapatid Mobile Journal Daniel Dayaw, we are One News.